video.
Oh.
Yeah. It tastes good. Yeah. Corn.
Okay, what's a Winston done? Okay, what a stop, stop. Hold on there. Winston, where you stand up for your mouth still a move. You know, say you choke Winston, but you can't talk that. Hey, look the Winston. All right. Okay. Oh my God. How we doing, Rajika? We're not doing well. Are you okay? It's all right. You sure? No, you can take it out. Don't worry. All right, Blackie, you can take it. Take it out if you want to take it. Good job. No problem here. You did so well. Clap, Rajika. Clap, Rajika. Because no foreigner could have come up here and do it. She came up here and she competed. Clap, Rajika. You did an amazing job, Rajika. Alicia. I don't know what to say about you. I look like you, they just hungry. I want to party. Because them the boss they ain't eating the way you go. Say Alicia. If you want to know, say Alicia, don't worry yourself. But over here, so the competition did there, you know. Between Winston and Road Boy. Winston, you make a good back, but boy, I don't know what did happen with the water. The water wash out by the party out of your mouth. Auntie. But ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner for the 2018 Grace Jamaican Jerkfest Party Eating Competition. Rude Boy. Long Island Massive, make some noise.
Showtime now. All my independent ladies, I need y'all to make some noise right now.
That's you! Independent!
All my ladies who's studying over and still look better than these young girls, make some noise. All my independent ladies, I need you to put your hands up in the air right now. And I need y'all to help me bring on stage Hood Salamity! Ladies!
You are walking trophy.
You are what?
You are walking trophy. You are what? You are walking trophy. Tell your friends I'm a walking trophy. Tell them no one say you're pretty from the car. Walk over to your knees from the car. Them tell them I'm pretty in the real life. You're pretty from the car.
Are you pretty in the real life?
I like to live here, Papa. We are the afraid of the real. No! Pull up! Father God, no, I'm the wicked man! If you're not bad, man, go to the area! Everybody go down! Jump! Bumbo class! Aya! Pull up! Signal! Stop! Signal! You know why the rain fall? God says some people are wicked. All who love God put your hands up. Dance all night again. People are night again. Signal the rain. So how you feel? Everybody jump! Put your hands up. Pull up! I'm the run boy. Remember, lift up.
guys. Can you see what we looking
Look
like?
at us, like, oh my god. We're
We are
soaking.
soaking wet. Like, I'm so wet. So wet. Yeah. This was
Do it for the vlog.
an experience. I will never forget that one time I saw Elephant Man and it
And it was pouring
wet.
rain.
Like it just never stopped, and we're all soaking wet. Thank God I have locks. But look at her hair. We all are soaking
I'm
wet.
swimming in my shoes, guys. That's
So,
how it is.
yeah, we're waiting right now for our ride, but
My edges are messed up.
what
Like,
edges, girl? You gotta watch that. What you talking about edges? What edges?
I'm gonna wash my hair tonight.
We are like, everybody's wet. When I mean everybody's wet, like everybody's wet. But it was an
It was
experience,
good.
guys.
It was good. The last part was pretty good.
So we'll see about editing this mess.
And let's see what comes out.
But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We might add something later. We don't know. But we might not.
We
'cause-
should. Although I have school, we should.
Yeah.
Ah, edges still on me.
You can see Mel is back, guys. Mel is back.
Yes.
Alright. But girl, bye. We're